Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Balls and welcome to this video. Today I'm just going to be doing an unboxing of my new keyboard that I got today. So yes, let us set the camera up somewhere so I can unbox this with you guys. So this keyboard is this is the package, which is cool. So yeah, it's wired, by the way. So let's crack it open. Okay. Cool. So I have the keyboard right here. And USB, obviously it's USB. So that is the keyboard there. That is a nice keyboard, to be honest. To be honest, that is a really nice sound. So, gee, it's quite big as well. But I will get this all set up. Okay, so there's only one problem with this keyboard, that it's not gonna fit on my little desk thing, as well as have my mouse on it. So, yeah, so I have the keyboard there, but then I won't have enough room for my mouse. So, yes, I just need to try and figure something out, which is really annoying. Okay, so I have worked out a solution. I'm just going to put the keyboard on an angle like that, because all I really need is the WASD and the spacebar, and I have my arrow keys and stuff like that, so I have pretty much everything, because I don't really need the buttons over there. I don't really need those buttons, so I just tuck those under so I can still use the arrow keys as well. So yes, thank you guys for watching this kind of unboxing video. If you liked it, please put a like on the video down below, and if you haven't already, subscribe. It's been Balls.